Mheshimiwa Spika, nilikuwa na swali, mbona aje saa 11 mpaka saa 2? Naona muda utakuwa umekwenda sana na tutakuwa na wasiwasi. Wajua Mheshimiwa Spika, giza ina siri zake. Kwa hiyo sijui mbona asije mapema Mheshimiwa Spika, tulimalize kwa mwangaza. Asante sana.
To Honorable Oundo, if you read the Constitution very carefully, you will see that this is the house where charges are framed. The trial chamber is the Senate. This chamber could easily vote on the motion after the mover and the seconder, if there's nobody debating it, and forward all the material to the Senate for trial. To the extent that we will debate the matter, and with abundance of caution, we have invited the subject of the motion, if he wishes, to come before the House and say whatever he may wish to say to the issues that he will have been confronted with. We are not obliged to bisect or dissect or respond to what he says. You are obliged to vote and then forward the materials to the Senate for trial. That notwithstanding, having given him 5 to 7 to speak, the House should be informed that should there be interest to continue with the debate thereafter, we are going to move a procedural motion for the House to sit on Tuesday 8th from 9 a.m. to midnight. So you'll still have time to deal with any issue. Mama Zamzam, mi huwa nasikia ati shetani anapenda usiku, lakini huyo shetani haishi hapa bungeni. Yes, member for Kapchai.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker, for giving this very humble time, actually. Mine, Mr. Speaker, is a true comment. Your judgment is purely Solomonic. You have made a decision that will never be challenged anywhere. We don't want to make something that tomorrow we shall come down to be challenged. So all that is the procedure going through to get the last end. Even Mr. Speaker, you have offered him to be heard. That, Mr. Speaker, will give this House all the rights and safety. The only thing, Mr. Speaker, that I would wish to have something to question myself is Kenya is somehow volatile in different regions. Maybe to some regions, security might be required for public participation. That is the only concern. But I know as we retreat tomorrow to discuss and dialogue, those are a few things we shall go to. Otherwise, Mr. Speaker, thank you for that Solomonic wisdom. Thank you very much.
What? Who is that? Honorable Tim Kipchumba, Wakili. Yes.
Umefikiria matumizi ya hii pesa, Esther? Unapanga kufanya nini?
Kuboost kazi yangu.
Kazi, si ndio? Niko na cheki yako hapa hivi. Hii sasa wacha nikukabidhi ndio tuhakikishe ati hii pesa Ndio yenye uliambia umeshinda. Ndio hiyo iko hapo?
Yeah.
Umeverify?
Kweli.
Shikilia cheki yako. Tuko na goodie bag hapa hivi. Hiyo ni yako. Uzidi kujipanga, unaweza bahatika uchukue milioni 1.
The festive season is more than a holiday. It's a time for family, joy, laughter, and creating memories that last a lifetime. What are your plans for this festive season? Whether you're dreaming of spending your holiday on white sandy beaches, on safari in the wild, or escaping to international destinations, View Travel has the perfect festive holiday planned for you. With our Lipa Pole Pole payment option, book your dream festive holiday now and pay in flexible installments. Mapema ndio best. Spots are filling up fast. Enjoy 4 days in Mombasa from 53,400 Kenya shillings, 5 days in Zanzibar from